Children, how are you? Fine, thank you. Children, already I explained the third lesson, talking tales. This page. In this page, what has given? Jessie and her father went to park. That time when they are walking in park, one small dog running towards them, and the dog is wagging its tail. And when the dog is wagging the tail, and the Jessie asked to her father why this dog is wagging tail, means that this dog wants to become a friend. Now that again Jessie asked to her father, how do you know about that? Means Jessie's father said, now that Jessie's father said, yes, dogs use their tails to talk to each other. Jessie's father said, yes, dogs use their tails to talk to each other. What do they say? Jessie asked curiously. What do they say? Means while that is your dogs are wagging the tails, what? So that what it we know about that means that again she asked curiously to her father. Bring the big book of knowledge your uncle gave you on your birthday, her father suggested. Jessie's father said, okay, now I will explain clearly. Now you go on big, very book. It is there in Almara in shelf. That book, it was given by your uncle. Okay, as a birthday gift. Isn't it? That book is, what is the name of that book? Means encyclopedia. Encyclopedia, that is. Jessie's father said, bring the big book of knowledge your uncle gave you on your birthday, her father suggested. We will find a lot of information in it. Jessie's father told Jessie, you go and pick the very book is there. You bring that book, he suggested. And said, in that book, we will get lot of information will be there. Okay, Jessie's father said like this. Jessie brought out the encyclopedia, the book name, that is, the book name is encyclopedia. And the two of them went through the book. Jessie brought out the encyclopedia and the two of them went through the book. Two means father and Jessie both started to read that book. Now it says her that when dogs are happy, they wag their tail. It says when after turning the pages, so many pages, they find out one page about the dogs. That information has given in that paper, in that page. What has given? It says, means that book, in that page, it is some little bit information is there. It says her that when dogs are happy, when the dogs are happy mood, means where the feeling very happy, that time the dogs wag. Wagging means oopadam. Okay, wag their tail. Father read from the book. When they are unhappy or scared, they tuck their tail between their legs. This information also given. First is about happy. When the dogs are happy, that time the dogs will wag their tail. Suppose the dogs are unhappy. Happy, unhappy, opposite word. When the dogs are unhappy or scared. Scared means suppose any the dogs are some big dogs or some big another animal, means that time the dogs will scared. That time they tuck their tail between their legs. Where that tail that dog will keep between their legs. And when they are angry and about to attack, suppose the dogs are angry ante kopam. When the dogs are angry and that time if the dog attacks some other dogs, that time they hold their tail high and straight. That time the dogs hold their tail high. Tail ante toka. It keep the tail high and straight. Okay. Now continue. Wow, dogs talk so much with their tails, said Jessie. Jessie said, oh, daddy, what information you are giving. It is very nice information. The dogs are talking with their tails. Not only dogs, other animals and also birds talk with their tails. Father said, means we have mouth and we can speak and we can communicate, we can exchange our ideas and by talking. But the dogs and other animals, birds didn't have. Mouth is there but voice don't know how to talk. That time it cannot, how the dogs and other animals are expressing means with the tails, with their tails only. Wow, dogs talk so much with their tails, said Jessie. Not only dogs, other animals and also birds talk with their tails. Continued father. Father said, not only Jessie, not only dogs, other animals also and birds also talk with their tails only. When a cat twitches its tail, it means that he is angry. When the cat, here father is explaining about the cat. Cat also one animal. It twitches its tail. What is the meaning of twitches here given? See. Makes a slight sudden movement. Makes a slight sudden movement. Okay. Now, that time the cat twitches its tail. It means that he is angry. When the cat twitches the tail, that means what is the meaning of that one means that cat is angry. But when it is holding its tail up, it is happy. Holding the tail up అంటే తోక ఇలా పైకి పెడతా ఇట్లా పైకి పెట్టి ఆల్రెడీ వీ నో ఇన్ అవర్ హౌస్ అండ్ సరౌండింగ్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ హౌస్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ పెట్ యానిమల్ మీన్స్ దట్ టైమ్ ద cat also when it is happy mood it comes very close and with the tail the cat will hit us or sometimes it will go through, it will touch, the cat will touch the body with us only and it will go, isn't it? Like that only when it is the cats are in a happy mood it holding its tail up, it will keep the tail up and it will hold like that. Okay children, now up to here. Okay, now I will continue in next class. Thank you.